Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install dispute tracking and case status with Bank of America. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin installing dispute tracking and case status with Bank of America, visit their official website. Log into your Bank of America account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Customer Service section located in the main menu. Select the Dispute a Transaction option from the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to the Dispute Management page. Here, review the types of disputes available to ensure you choose the correct one. Click on Track Your Disputes to access the tracking feature. On the tracking page, enter the relevant information, such as your dispute reference number and date of transaction. Click the Submit button to retrieve your case status. The system will display the current status of your dispute, including any updates or actions taken. If you have multiple disputes, you can view them all on this page. To receive alerts about changes in your dispute status, opt in for notifications. Look for the Notification Preferences link and select it. Choose your preferred method for receiving updates, whether via email or text message. Make sure to save your notification settings to stay informed. If you need further assistance, return to the Customer Service section. Contact the support team via the available chat or phone options for personalized help. By following these steps, you will successfully install dispute tracking and manage your case status with Bank of America. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.